Mr. Bezad, right now I'm going to tell you how to represent the real world entities in object-oriented programming. My dear, the properties or attributes of a real world entity are actually its data. It means attributes or properties of a real world entity are the data of the real world entity. And I do tell you the data of each entity must be handled separately with language constructs such as variables, pointers, and arrays. Did you get Mr. Bezad?
Yes, sir.
The states or behaviors of a real world entity are actually its functions. And I do tell you, these functions of the entity must be handled separately with language constructs such as functions. Did you get Mr. Bezad?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you.